Midnight breathing through the chrome and glass. Streetlights flicker like a loaded past. Hands on the wheel, heart beats fast. Neon dreams on black top cast.
City dripping rain and gasoline. Every mirror shows who I've been. Concrete veins in the foreign skies. Speed talks louder than alibis. Red line flirting with the edge of fear. Rear view ghost, but I don't steer. Every turn a silent valve, no slowing down, not now.
Hear the bass through the chassis shake. One wrong move, one clean break. I don't race just to feel alive. I race 'cause stillness never survives. We drift on the neon asphalt, sideways through the midnight cold. No brakes when the city's watching. We don't stop, we don't fall.
Rubber, write our names in smoke and sparks and flames. Tonight the streets remember who we are, who we became. Carbon fiber scars on my soul. Every loss just paid the toll. Underglow lights, quiet vows. Family found in the here and now. Money talks, but respect screams. Earned in inches, not in dreams. Every run, a final stand. Fate fits tight inside my head.
RPMs like a war drum beat. City bows under burning feet. If I crash, let the legend say he never lifted anyway. We drift on the neon asphalt, sideways through the midnight cold. No brakes when the city's watching. We don't stall, we don't fall.
Rubber, write our names in smoke and sparks and flames. Tonight the streets remember who we are, who we became.
If tomorrow never comes, let it find me mid-run. Tired screaming truth out loud. I was free, I was unbound.
From Tokyo lights to foreign roads, every scar's a story told. I don't chase the finish line, I chase the moment. Time unwinds. We drift on the neon asphalt, hearts racing with the throttle wide. No fear left in the rear view, just the road and the ride. Burn rubber, fade the doubt, let the night hear us shout. Tonight the streets surrender as the sun starts breaking out. Engine revs in the beat. Neon dies. Legends don't.